all over the world. And Kes will tell us, okay, you probably can read yourself this beautiful CV, what we have about him. First, he he got his degree in biology and chemistry at the University of Iowa. He made a strong postgraduate training in osteopathy and preventive medicine. He wrote 20 books. He was speaker in more than 5,000 TV and radio talks. So we have a very famous man here. He's a king of herbs, or of oregano treatments, as we all know. And today he has two very interesting communication. Today we'll hear something about the endocrine types in humans and the way to influence these types and improve the age signs. Please, Kes.
Thank you very much. Thanks you. Great to be